ultimate performance rotary screw air compressors. Sullivan Palatech, dedicated to quality, committed to support. Founded in 1868 as Sullivan Machinery Company, later popularly known as Joyce Sullivan, the company acquired its new name, Sullivan Palatech, in 1998 when it was purchased by GHS Corporation. Sullivan Palatech is now offering a complete new range of portable compressors from 185 to 1800 CFM in portables with Cat, Cummins and John Deere engines to opt from. It also manufactures in its new plant direct-driven, energy-efficient stationary compressors up to 350 HP. Other product range includes skid-mounted offshore compressors from 185 to 1800 CFM, air tools, dryers and filters. Electric compressor assembly line. Portable ready. Diesel powerhouse. State-of-the-art rotor cutting equipment. TG350 milling machine. Rotor cutting. Rotor cleaning. Product line. Industrial. Rotary screw air compressors, industrial reciprocating compressors, refrigerated, cycling and desiccant air dryers, compressed air inline filters. Construction, portable and skid-mounted rotary screw, air, high and low pressure compressors, construction pneumatic tools. Construction diesel portable air compressors, made in the USA, 3-year, 26,280 hours air end warranty. Larger air end, hence low turning of rotor and engine. External access for 2-stage air filters for engine and compressor. Stop-turn tail lights, galvanneal corrosion resistance enclosure. 15-inch wheels and tires. Steel fuel tank. Unloaded starting. Large galvanized toolbox on both sides. Side-by-side coolers for easy cleaning and maintenance. Choice of Cat or John Deere engine. John Deere with 5 years extended warranty. Full control panel. Unloaded starting. 120 km/h tow bar. Our newest P3 compressor is compact, lightweight and has the same proven components Sullivan Palatech has used for years, but packages them in a smaller package for today's more competitive market. Introducing FlexAir 185 P2. A practical application of FlexAir. 250 to 375 CFM, 750 to 900 CFM. Optional after-cooled and filtered models for instrument quality air. Typical IQ applications: chemical processing, medical installations, food and beverage plants, pharmaceutical plant, snowmaking, electronics, painting and blasting, textile, almost any plant backup compressed air. Instrument quality portable compressed air. (1300 to 1800 CFM). Easily accessible. Utility model. Offshore applications. See our portables at work. Electric construction rental compressors. Rental package aftercool and filters. Rental package with heatless desiccant dryer, aftercooler and filters. Industrial electric air compressors. Plant air system. Stationary compressors, direct mounted, direct coupled. Electric air compressor advantages. American made. 2-year air end motor and coupling warranty. Superior platinum warranty. 5-year air end, motor, coupling, cooler and sump tank. Standardized parts. Commonality of parts on all models of compressors, reducing part inventories. Quarterly training. All VFDs above 50 HP have fan motor control. Direct drive provides more CFM at higher pressures using less power. Lower maintenance costs. Flexibility. Have it your way. We start with a base compressor and you put on the options that best fit your plant needs. Engine drive 8, 10, 18 and 30 HP. Splash or pressure lubricated. Slide serviceable design, 2-stage high pressure unit. 5, 7.5 and 10 HP M series. M series enclosed. 50 to 30 HP all-in-one models, CDD series. 15 to 40 HP D series direct drive. 30, 40 and 50 HP DG series direct drive geared. 40 to 400 HP UD series updraft. Remote cooler options. 15 to 300 HP VFD series variable frequency drive. Air dryers. Refrigerated air dryers. SPPS series heatless regenerative T-type filtration products. GN2 series nitrogen generators. GN2 series recommended installation all stainless steel dryer. NEMA 7 petrochemical design.